that is the lookup formulas, Vlookup and Hlookup. The first formula, Vlookup, is probably one of the most frequently used formulas in Excel. So what it does, it looks up and retrieves data from a specific column in a table. What is the structure of the formula? So we need to get, first of all, we need to select the value that needs to be looked up, then obviously the range in which that value needs to be looked up, and then which column the formula should retrieve data from, and then I have written here false, but it can be true as well. False ensures that an accurate outcome is provided, whereas if this is true, the outcome can be approximate as well. So Hlookup is pretty similar, but this formula actually retrieves data based on rows rather than columns here. Okay, so if I show you the examples now, it will probably make it more clear. So the market cap of the example here is about companies and their market capitalization, really, in let's say billions of US dollars. So we need to find the market capitalization for Amazon, and in order to do that, we need to use Vlookup, and this is how it is used. So as you can see, the lookup value should be put here first. So this is our lookup value, and then the range should be selected. So this is again, I have used the comma instead of the semicolon, and now we select the range, and the range is obviously this here, and then the column that we need to retrieve data from is actually the second column from our range, and then we need an exact outcome. So I have used the commas again. We need to obviously make sure that we use the semicolon, and this is what we get. So as you can see, Amazon's value here, market value, is $684 billion, and this is what we get using the Vlookup formula, which is correct. And now the example for the Hlookup is basically we have a few names here together with the age for each person here, and we need to find the age of Maria. And in order to do that, we can use the Hlookup, and the lookup value in this case is Maria, and our range is the range here. So what we can do now is select second row from our range, because that's where we should get the outcome from. And if I just replace the comma with semicolon again, so we get 44. Again, this is an exact match. Okay, now going back to the presentation, after this group of formulas,